Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Icarus game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow these steps very carefully. So first of all, open Steam, go to store and in search the store search for Icarus game and then click on Icarus game. Scroll down and here you will see play Icarus, play for free until 27th of July. So click on play game button. And here you can see Icarus game and the file size is 49.64 GB. So click on install, then go to library and here you can see that Icarus game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Icarus game for free until 27th of July 2026 and you can play this game until 27th of July for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.